Welcome to the JSOM Certificates web application located on JSOM Intranet. When you're logged into JSOM Intranet, the JSOM Certificates application will be on your dashboard, assuming you've been granted access to it. Go ahead and click on the JSOM Certificates icon. Okay, if you manage more than one certificate program, you will find this option bar in the upper left part of your screen that lets you toggle between your programs. If you manage one program, you will just see the name of that program in the upper left, no toggle. In this case, I have access to more than one program, so I'm going to select the one to which I want to upload new data, Sourcing Management, which is conveniently empty right now. Next, I click on the green Download Template button over here to download a sample template, which is called certificates_template.csv. Different operating systems and web browsers handle downloads differently. Since I'm using Chrome on a Mac, I just click down here to open my template, and my computer recognizes it as an Excel file. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. Now you just need to fill in the student data following the format in the template. I already have some entries saved in a separate spreadsheet, and they're already formatted to match the certificates template. So all I need to do is copy the fields from my spreadsheet and paste them into the template that I just downloaded. I'm going to just copy a few of these. So they're selected, copy. This is my local template. I'm going to select this upper left empty field, paste it in. And there we go. Be sure when you copy only to select the data. We don't need a repeat of the headers. The headers are important. They need to stay on top, and the data below each header needs to match. Once all the student data is in the template file, I save the template on my computer. I usually hit Command S. You can collect this, but I do want to show you it's important that it stays in the CSV format. You can see this as comma separated values. That's the correct format. It is possible to, it's possible to save it in these other CSV formats, Windows and MS-DOS. Those won't work, so make sure you just keep it in this comma separated values format that it originally came in. I've already saved it, I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so it's saved. We can return to the JSOM Certificates app. The template's ready, so we're going to click the Upload File button and navigate to that file. It's in my Downloads folder right here on top. I click Open, and right away you'll be able to see the new student data in the table. The user interface is pretty straightforward. You can search the entries over here. You can sort the entries by clicking on any of these headers. You can choose how many entries you want to display on the page. Down here, we don't have that many, so it's kind of irrelevant right now. You can also filter by date, a from date and a to date. Also, with the click of a button, you can export the currently showing entries in formats such as CSV. As I click it, you'll see the files downloading. Excel spreadsheet, PDF. You can click to print, and that opens the browser's print interface. You can also copy. So we currently have 6 entries showing. I click copy, and this says copied 6 rows to the clipboard. You can paste that into other applications. Later, if you're uploading another template that includes entries which are already in your table, you won't get duplicate entries. So let's say I select all 15 of these entries, I copy them, I paste them into the template, So some of them are repeats, some of them are new. I'm going to save that, return to the app, upload it again, certificate_template.csv. And now we have 15 total. The 6 entries that were already in were preserved, and only the new entries were added. Also, if you need to edit a field in the app, you simply click what you want to edit, like so. Press enter when you're finished to save. It's important to press enter. If you're in the habit of clicking away or hitting tab to get out of it, that won't work. You have to press enter. If you need further assistance, feel free to contact the JSOM Web Services Department. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walkthrough of the JSOM Certificates application. We hope it has been helpful.